How are you doing? I I made a new update to MegaScript. It's version 1.2.0 Indev. I added a couple things. It's a pretty good amount of things. It's actually, I was gonna make this just a patch update, but I added so many things. Well, I added like such big features that it should just be like a minimum milestone. So I made it 1.2.0. But anyway, so first of all, we've got we got the interpreter. I updated it. I made it so that scripts can be appended to. So before, if I were to put a here, it would be like it would make two separate scripts if I press enter. But now it appends to the script. So if I were to put print a, it prints what a is because it's still in the symbol table. It actually, like, the symbol table gets carried along whenever you append more code to the script. So anyway, and of course I'm gonna add like ways for it to jump like across code that memory addresses that it doesn't own whenever it goes back to the starting point. I'm gonna do that with like a hidden array in the script system struct. But anyway, so I've actually done quite a. This next thing is quite a big feature, and it's if statements. So let's say that we want. Let's say that if true, then we want to print 2 and stop. It prints 2. But if we say if false, print 4, it does not do that at all, because it only does what's in the block if it's greater than 0. Or if it's just, actually I'm pretty sure it's just if, it's just if it isn't 0 at all. So even signed, like even negative signed numbers will still be recognized as a true. But anyway, excuse me. Now I'm gonna make a script to show, or I'm gonna make a script file to show the extensions of the if standard call. So let's see, touch if test mega. Excuse me. Okay, so we're gonna do nano if test mega, and here we are in the editor. So we're gonna put what are we gonna put? We're gonna put if 0, and that will be false, so it won't do that. We're just gonna put this here anyway, though, just for the sake of testing. Then we're also gonna do else if 1, and we're gonna print 4 if it's 1. And of course we're also gonna have a regular else, and we're gonna print 8 if that. Oh damn it! We're gonna print 8 if that quota is met, or whatever the hell. I don't know how words work. Anyway, there's that, and now we load it. Load if test.mega, and as you can see, it's 4 because the middle one was the true statement, a statement that had true. And just to prove that I'm just gonna remove this and make it false, and it will, at that point, it will just go past all the if statements and go to the else and do the else, because there's no other options for it, so it just gives up and does the else. Okay, come on. So it should be 8, if I remember right. I kind of forgot already somehow. Test mega. Yep, it's 8. Okay, well, that works. Anyway, so one other very, very important thing that I added. Well, I didn't add it like recently. It's been a thing. I just haven't I haven't set up MegaScript in a way that I could showcase it properly. But now I have a separate thread running for the scripts and the master script of the script environment that also has its own thread. So there's 2 threads in total. So this means that it can be running in the background while we enter commands. So I made 2 files. One, let's see, test, or let's do. I think it was weight test. Mega. Yep, here it is. So all it does is just has an A equals 0, and then a label and print A equals A plus 1, print, and then weight 1, and then we jump to meow. So we're gonna do that, and you'll be able to see that it waits. Mega. As you can see, it waits. And whenever you wait, it changes the states of the script, and it like, it's like, I'm not sure how to explain this. It's like it puts a label on itself. It puts like a rubber stamp on the script that says this is gonna wait until this time, and then it just ignores it until it has reached that time, and then it starts running again. And this is how you that's how you avoid the script running out in the timeout, because whenever it changes the state, it also resets the timeout. So that's how that works. But also, there's another thing you can do. Now that the scripts are running in the background, we can actually we can do 2 scripts at once. So let me get the text editor so that I can type text. No, not LibreOffice. Damn it! Come on. Oh my god. Okay. So let me just close this. So then, if I can use my damn text editor. Okay. So whenever we print, we're gonna do load second test, and all that second test is just another script, except instead of adding 1, it subtracts 1. So let's see how this goes. Yep, look at that. They're both executing at the exact same time. Isn't that cool? Isn't that freaking cool? But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh wait, no. I gotta show one more thing. So I also added comments. Well, with a lot of these things, I already added it a while ago. I just keep forgetting to show it. But we've got comments now, so we can do touch comments, or comment test .mega, and then comment test .mega. I think I'm not sure if I already showed it. I had to scrap the last video that I made about this because my damn microphone wasn't plugged in, or like it tricks me into thinking that it's plugged in because my computer has a built-in microphone, but it's really the snowball of that microphone that I'm wanting to get sound from, but it's not. But it looks like it is, but it's not. Like on the OBS sound waves things. Anyway, here's a multi-line comment. Hi. Oh wait. Also, no, I did the wrong slash. I gotta do backward slashes. There's also regular comment, and then we're gonna do print to show that it works fine whenever you have comments. A.out, and we're gonna do load comment test.mega, and there you go. As you can see, it ignored all the comments and just printed one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this update of MegaScript. I might actually make like a Patreon or a GoFundMe, because I'm not making any money from this. It'd be nice to have some support so that I can spend more time working on it. Eventually, once like it's widespread enough and known that I made this, like at that point I'll make it open source, and it'll be really cool. It'll be like one of the programming languages that people use often. At least that's what I hope would happen. I really hope that that's how it happens. Excuse me. We also, oh yeah, I one more thing. I'm just gonna show that you can also do, you can like check if something is equal to something. So if A is equal to 1, then it will print hi, and we stop. As you can see, it does that. It works perfectly fine. And we also have does not equal. We have the opposite. We got doesn't equal 1. There we go. And as you can see, it didn't print the high because it does equal 1, but it was checking if it doesn't. But yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry if this was kind of like a rant. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.